knowledge, or I learn something new, I pass it on to you. And then we sit and we discuss it. Or if I have a question, or if I see, the topic of polygamy is big in the black community. What is going on in my building? Why does it sound like gunshots in my building? King, go in the room. Come here. Come here. Go in the room. Please, please, go in the room. Please. What the was that? Yo! Is my neighbors fighting? It sounded like gunshots in my building. That's my neighbors, y'all. I think the music is up and I think they're fighting. Oh my God, they're fighting in there. Should I knock on the door? Oh my God, they're fighting. Oh my God, they're fighting. Call 911. Call 911. He's saying call 911.